Well, here it is, the all-new Toyota HiLux Rugged X. You can't really miss it with its huge Rugged X decal on the bonnet, its unique grille design, its steel bumper up the front. It's got a snorkel as standard, it's got unique wheel arch flares, unique 17-inch alloy wheels. It's got these awesome rock sliders. They're genuine rock sliders that can handle the full weight of the vehicle. Down the back you get the Rugged X decals as well, and you get a unique sports bar that's able to carry a heavy load. You also get this tray liner in the back. It doesn't cover the whole tub, but it covers the floor and the tailgate. And you get a steel bar at the back with red recovery points as well as a standard tow bar. You also get red recovery points up front beneath the steel bar, and you get a decent bash plate under there. And obviously this snorkel feeds straight into the airbox. You get the 150 kilowatt 500 newton meter 2.8 litre turbo diesel engine, and plenty of space under there for a dual battery setup if you wish. Inside you get a special upgraded JBL sound system with the 8-inch colour touchscreen and the standard SR5 dash layout. You get leather trim as well, and power adjustment for the driver's seat. 8-way power adjustment, but over on the passenger side you've got to make do with manual adjustment. There's decent space in the back seat. You'd fit 3 people across there without a drama, and you get this good fold down centre armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's rear air conditioning vents and also these little hooks for hanging things, and in that centre console there's a 220 volt outlet as well. But hey, that's enough of the features. Let's go see what this thing's like off-road. Well, like all HiLuxes, it's pretty handy off-road. It's got decent low range reduction, pretty decent wheel travel as well, and the added benefit of having that front bash plate and those fantastic rock sliders. Despite what you might see here, the electronic traction control does work pretty well. And then if that's not going to get you through, you can always engage the rear diff lock. All this extra gear doesn't come cheap. It's $69,990 plus on-road costs, but it is a lot of gear. So there you have it, our first drive of the all-new Toyota HiLux Rugged X.